Okay, so I wanted to do a quick demonstration on the Grizzly here with the clutch and how and why it is so smooth. It is just the absolute perfect everyday driver. So we're in neutral. I took my helmet off for this. Whoa. Okay, so this is in high two-wheel drive. Like, it's just so smooth. You let off the throttle and you just stop. So this is it in high. And it's probably not the best thing to like not put it in park when you get off of it, but the engagement with this thing doesn't happen unless you're applying throttle. And it's just so gentle. Look at that. Like that, I think this is what makes this CVT transmission different. Like it's in the real world using of it. Like it's just like butter. It's awesome. Like nothing against Can-Am, but just like the engagement of the clutch, you know, it's just it's built for a different purpose. This is yeah. Nice. Just apply the throttle. That's what it is. It's the buttery smoothness of it. Here, put it in reverse. Like that is just awesome. It is just so comfortable.